Well, it's important to note that this decision does not outlaw abortions in Iowa, but it does invoke a law signed by Governor Reynolds in 2020, creating a 24-hour waiting period before going through with an abortion, something pro-choice advocates don't think Iowans support.
A majority of Iowans really support the right to make those what should be private medical decisions between a person and their doctor.
Sheena Dooley with Planned Parenthood is citing an Iowa poll from last year that claims 57% of Iowans think abortion should be legal for most or all cases. Planned Parenthood and the ACLU are the two groups who challenged the 2020 law creating a 24-hour abortion waiting period, stating it was unconstitutional. Friday, the Iowa Supreme Court disagreed, and now the two groups are fearful of more restrictions.
We know that the intention is to try to restrict and ultimately ban abortion, and we're going to do everything we can to fight that and protect abortion access in the state.
We celebrate a culture of life in this country, a culture of life in this state.
Bob Vanderplatz with the Family Leader celebrated the decision today, as did other pro-life supporters like Speaker of the House, Pat Grassley. His office sent a statement Friday reading in part, quote, "Iowans can be assured that the Iowa House Republicans are strongly pro-life and remain committed to protecting the unborn and providing additional support for new mothers."
Reproductive freedom is on the ballot this fall.
House Minority Leader Jennifer Confer says Democrats across the state will be campaigning on abortion rights. She's urging voters to keep in mind reproductive health as they cast their ballot in November.
We need to elect a pro-choice majority to the Iowa House of Representatives so that we can stop these further restrictions on our freedoms.
The state Supreme Court decision removes an injunction on the waiting period law, so that goes into effect now. Planned Parenthood said today they canceled all appointments here in Iowa to figure out how they have to legally proceed.